Apollo Evo is an extreme track-focused hypercar developed by Apollo Automobile as an uncompromising successor to the Apollo Intensa Emozione. The project serves as a symbolic tribute to the heritage of the Gumpert brand and celebrates its 20th anniversary, while also defining a new direction for the manufacturer. Evo was created after several years of development and prototype testing on legendary racing circuits, where engineers refined its aerodynamics and handling. The car was designed exclusively for track use and does not carry road homologation, making it a machine free from compromise. Its futuristic styling, reminiscent of science fiction vehicles, clearly signals that Evo is not a conventional supercar, but a bold technological statement of performance and engineering excellence. The story of Apollo Evo is closely connected to the legacy of the Gumpert Apollo. After the company declared bankruptcy in 2013, it seemed that its achievements would fade into history. However, the heritage was taken over by Apollo Automobile, which continued the philosophy of building radical hypercars. The first step was the creation of Intensa Emozione, followed by the even more extreme Evo. The new model retains key elements such as a centrally mounted engine, an ultra-light construction, and aggressive aerodynamics, yet pushes them further than ever before. Evo is not only a technological successor, but also a symbol of revival, proving that Apollo remains committed to producing some of the most uncompromising performance machines in the world. At the core of Apollo Evo lies an ultra-light, carbon fiber monocoque, weighing approximately 165 kilograms. This structure forms the central backbone of the vehicle and provides exceptional rigidity with minimal mass. The entire car weighs roughly between 1,200 and 1,300 kilograms, resulting in an impressive power-to-weight ratio. The chassis has been optimized for maximum strength and precise handling, while many suspension components feature organic shapes inspired by nature. Advanced manufacturing methods, including three-dimensional printing, were used to create lightweight aluminum and titanium parts. As a result, Evo represents the cutting edge of modern automotive and materials engineering, combining structural efficiency with extreme performance capability on the racetrack. Powering Apollo Evo is a naturally aspirated 12-cylinder engine with a displacement of 6.3 liters, derived from a Ferrari-based architecture and further developed by specialists from Autotecnica Motori and HWA AG. The unit produces around 800 horsepower and more than 760 newton-meters of torque. Thanks to the low vehicle weight, acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour takes approximately 2.7 seconds, while top speed reaches about 335 kilometers per hour. Beyond raw numbers, the engine delivers an intense acoustic experience and immediate throttle response, reinforcing the emotional and mechanical purity that defines the Evo driving experience. The aerodynamics of Apollo Evo were engineered to generate maximum downforce at very high speeds. The bodywork is filled with sharp lines, aggressive air intakes, and active aerodynamic elements that adapt to driving conditions. Every surface has a functional purpose, improving airflow efficiency and high-speed stability. Dramatic body panels and a massive rear wing not only create a striking visual presence, but also significantly enhance track performance. The vehicle was designed to maintain control even under extreme lateral forces, allowing the driver to fully exploit its capabilities. This focus on aerodynamic efficiency ensures that Evo remains stable, precise, and confidence-inspiring during intense circuit driving sessions. The interior of Apollo Evo is entirely focused on functionality and weight reduction. The cockpit is compact and minimalist, constructed primarily from carbon fiber, aluminum, and titanium. Numerous components were produced using three-dimensional printing technology, including structural elements and exhaust tips. Displays and switches are integrated into sculpted carbon fiber tunnels, with organic forms reminiscent of natural structures. The layout centers around the driver, ensuring maximum control and clarity of information. Every detail was engineered with performance in mind, eliminating unnecessary features that could add weight or distraction. The result is a purposeful environment designed exclusively for high-speed track driving and total driver engagement. Apollo Evo stands among the most exclusive hypercars in the world, as production is limited to just 10 examples. Each vehicle is priced in the range of several million euros and delivered to a select group of collectors. The car is not intended for public roads, further emphasizing its dedicated track character. Evo was created as a technological manifesto and a celebration of the brand's rebirth. For its owners, it represents not only a high-performance machine, but also a rare collector's piece and a statement of passion for uncompromising engineering. Apollo Evo proves that in the modern era, there is still room for hypercars built purely around emotion, performance, and absolute exclusivity.